Hello students, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel Omkar English Classes, and this video is 11th part of the chapter The Enemy. I am well, he said joyously. Sadao drew his kimono round his weary body. He could not. He decided suddenly go through another night. चलिए अगली रात को देख लेते हैं भाई। और उसने बोला कि मैं अब ठीक हूँ। It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. You are well. Sadao agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my cot on the shore tonight, with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. It is so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. Nobody lives on it because in a storm it is submerged. But this is not the season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. They pass quite near the island because the water is many fathoms deep there. The young man stared at him slowly, comprehending. Do I have to? He asked. I think so, Sadao said gently. You understand it is not hidden that you are here. The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. Okay, he said simply. Sadao did not see him again until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat down to the shore, and in it he put food and bottled water uh, that he had bought secretly during the day, as well as two quilts he had bought at a pawn shop. The boat he tied in a post in the water, for the tide was high. There was no moon, and he worked without a flashlight. So the man announced happily that he was well. Sadao wrapped his traditional Japanese gown around his tired body. He was tired because the curiosity had kept him awake for 2 consecutive nights. He decided that he could not pass one more night in such a way. Uh, he was not bothered about the man's life, but he could not bear the stress and anxiety any longer. सदाओ को लगने लगा था यार ये अभी वो किलर्स नहीं आए तो एक काम करता हूँ इससे मैं ही छुटकारा पा लेता हूँ क्योंकि टेंशन तो हो ही रही है इसको यहाँ रख के. Sadao said to the man that he was well now. He lowered his voice and said that he was strong enough to sail a boat. नाव तो चला सकते हो ना अब. सदाओ ने प्लान किया कि अगर एक बोट अरेंज हो जाए, फूड और कपड़े रख दिए जाएं तो ये he will be able to row it to the nearby island, as the island was so close to the coast. क्योंकि पास में ही एक आइलैंड है उस किनारे के, वो वहाँ पर रह लेगा तब तक. It had not been guarded. इसमें कोई रहता नहीं है इस आइलैंड पे. It was not inhabited and it sunk into the sea during the storms, as it was not the season of storms. और ये पास में एक आइलैंड है, ये वहाँ पर रह लेगा. ये आइलैंड पानी में डूब जाता है जब तूफान आते हैं, और आजकल तूफान का मौसम तो है नहीं, तो ये वहाँ रह लेगा जब तक कि कोई कोरियन शिप इसको, कोरियन फिशिंग बोट वहाँ से नहीं गुजरती और उसमें बैठ के निकल जाएगा. मतलब सदाओ उसको भागने में हेल्प कर रहा है. The Korean fishing boat passed near the island as the sea was very deep there. The young man stared Sadao as he understood his words. He asked that was it necessary for him to do so. Sadao pleaded that he must understand that the fact. समझो भाई, सब लोगों को पता चल चुका है कि तुम यहाँ पर हो. The young man agreed with him. और बोला कि ठीक है मैं चला जाऊँगा. He moved his head to indicate his acceptance. Sadao left and did not meet the young man until evening. During the day, he made arrangements for him. As it became dark, Sadao pulled out a big boat to the shore. He placed food and bottled water in it that he had bought secretly during the day. He kept two quilts in it. He had purchased them from the pawn shop. As there was a high tide in the sea, he tied the boat to a pole. उसने क्योंकि टाइड ज़्यादा आ रही थी तो उसने बांध दिया एक खूंटे से उस नाव को. जब अंधेरा हो गया तो मूनलेस नाइट हो गई तो बिल्कुल अंधेरी रात थी. सदाओ ने काम करना शुरू कर दिया और बिना टॉर्च के काम करना शुरू कर दिया. वो नहीं चाहता था कि मुझे कोई देख ले. When he came to the house, he entered as though he were just back from his work. And so Hannah knew nothing. Yumi was here today, she said as she served his supper. Though she was so modern, still she did not eat with him. Yumi cried over the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so. The servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. He went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature, the state of wound and his heart and pulse. So सब कुछ चेक किया. यूमी भी यहाँ आई थी. हना ने उसको बताया. हना को पता नहीं था. और डॉक्टर सदाव ने बोला ठीक है, जैसे ये फॉरेनर यहाँ से चला जाएगा तो नौकर वापस आ जाएंगे. गेस्ट रूम में गया. उसने उसके घाव वगैरह चेक किए. हार्ट पल्स सब चेक किया. पल्स थोड़ी इरेगुलर थी बट दैट वाज परहैप्स बिकॉज ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट. ये एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से भी हो जाता है कि वो अपने घर जा रहा था बेचारा प्रिजनर. द यंग मैन्स पेल लिप्स वर प्रेस्ड टुगेदर एंड हिज आईज बर्न्ड. ओनली द स्कार्स ऑन हिज नेक वर रेड. केवल उसके घाव लाल दिखाई दे रहे थे. आई रियलाइज यू आर सेविंग माई लाइफ अगेन. So the prisoner realized that doctor saved the life again for doing the arrangements for his going. He told Sadao not at all. उसने कहा नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं है. It is only inconvenient to have you here any longer. बस खाली तुम्हें ज़्यादा दिन यहाँ रखना हमारे लिए असुविधा हो जाएगी. मैं तो इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. He had hesitated a good deal about giving the man a flashlight. But he had decided to give it to him after all. उसने उसको एक flashlight भी दी. It was a small one, छोटी सी थी. His on which he used at night when he was called. इस flashlight को सदाओ रात को इस्तेमाल किया करता था जब भी उसको आवाज़ लगाई जाती थी. If your food runs out before you catch a boat, he said, signal me two flashes at the same instant the sun drops over the horizon. अगर ऐसा हो जाए कि तुम्हारे बोट पे खाना खत्म हो जाए और उस समय तक तुम्हारी कोरियन बोट भी वहाँ ना आए, कोरियन फिशिंग वाले, तो खाना खत्म होने का सिग्नल इस टॉर्च से दे देना मेरे को, स्लाइड से 2 बार. डोंट सिग्नल इन डार्कनेस. लेकिन अंधेरे में नहीं देना क्योंकि इट विल बी सीन. ये दिख जाएगी. इफ़ यू आर ऑल राइट बट स्टिल देयर सिग्नल मी वंस. अगर खाना पानी खत्म हो गया तो 2 बार सिग्नल देना इस फ्लैश लाइट से दिन में. और अगर तुम ठीक ठाक हो तो 1 बार इससे हमें सिग्नल देना. यू विल फाइंड फ्रेश फिश इजी टू कैच. आराम से वहाँ पर ताज़ी फिश भी मिल जाएंगे. बट यू मस्ट ईट दैम रॉ. लेकिन तुम्हें कच्चा ही खाना पड़ेगा उनको. फायर वुड बी सीन. क्योंकि आग वहाँ दिखाई दे सकती है, तुम पकड़े जा सकते हो. तो यंग मैन ने खैर चैन की सांस ली और बोला ठीक है सर. He was dressed now in the Japanese clothes which Sadao had given him, and at the last moment Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. Now, Sadao said. The young American without a word shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. Once, twice, Sadao saw his light flash to find his way, but that would not be suspected. He waited until from the shore there was one more flash. Then he closed the partition. That night he slept. You say the man escaped? The general asked faintly. He had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. For 12 hours Sadao had not been sure the general would live. The gallbladder was much involved. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again, and to demand food. Sadao had not been able to ask about the assassins. So far as he knew, they had never come. The servants had returned, and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burned sulfur in it to get the white man's smell out of it. Nobody said nothing. Only the gardener was cross because he had got behind with his uh, chrysanthemums. chrysanthemums. But after a week, Sadao felt the general was well enough to be spoken to about the prisoner. So the man उसने अपनी ट्रेडिशनल जापानीज ड्रेस पहनी उस डॉक्टर सदाओ ने दी उसको गेव हिम टू वियर पहनने के लिए थी. फाइनली सदाओ ने ब्लैक क्लॉथ उसके चारों तरफ लपेटा और उसको गोल्डन कलर्ड हेयर थे उसके वो ढक दिए उसने ताकि दिखे ना रात को. American man shook his hand with Sadao as he walked away towards the port. He used the torch twice to find the way. दो बार उसने टॉर्च जलाई रास्ता ढूंढने को, but the guards would not doubt that. लेकिन सुरक्षा कर्मियों को शक नहीं हुआ. Sadao waited till he saw the torch light once more as the man boarded the boat. सदाओ ने इंतजार किया कि वहां पहुंचते ही जब वो लाइट जलाएगा उसको एक बार देखना चाहता हूँ जब वो नाव में पहुंच जाएगा. सदाओ ने दरवाजा बंद किया और उस रात सो गया. खैर आखिरकार उसने उससे छुटकारा पा लिया. A week ago the general had been operated upon. एक हफ्ते पहले जनरल का ऑपरेशन होना था इमरजेंसी में जिसमें सदाओ ने हिस्सा लिया. तो सदाओ इन्फॉर्म्ड हिम दैट द मैन एस्केप्ड. सदाओ ने उसको बोला कि सर आदमी बच गया. वो तो आदमी बच के भाग गया. तो जब जनरल थोड़ा वीक था उसने ऑपरेशन से भी रिकवर हुआ था. 12 घंटे का ऑपरेशन था उसका. 12 घंटे के बाद ऑपरेशन के उसको होश आया. उसकी कंडीशन क्रिटिकल थी और सदाओ वाज नॉट श्योर दैट ही वुड सर्वाइव. दे हैड ऑपरेटेड अपॉन हिज गॉल ब्लैडर. The general was an old man. After the operation, gradually he started eating food and breathed deeply. सदाओ की हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि अभी उनसे पूछूं या नहीं पूछूं कि आपके प्रोफेशनल किलर्स थे उनका क्या हुआ. आए नहीं वो. सदाओ जानता था कि किलर्स कभी आए ही नहीं और सदाओ के घर पे सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया था. तो इसलिए उसने उसको पूछा ही नहीं कि मैं उसके बारे में पूछूं या नहीं. घर पे नॉर्मल हो गया और नौकर भी वापस आ गए थे. यूमी ने सल्फर लेके थोड़ा रूम को साफ किया अमेरिकन मैन के. सर्वेंट्स ने कुछ नहीं बोला. गार्डनर वाज अनॉयड बिकॉज ही हैड गॉट लेट टू प्लांट द क्रिसैंथेमम फ्लावर्स. मतलब गार्डनर को गुस्सा इस बात पे आ रहा था कि मैं लेट हो गया, इस मौसम में मैंने वो पौधे लगाने थे फ्लावर्स के ड्यू टू हिज इंसिडेंट. इस वजह से. After 1 week, Sadao felt the general was well enough and that he could discuss the man with him. अब मैं जनरल से बात करूंगा इस आदमी के बारे में, प्रिजनर के बारे में. Students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel and press the bell icon if not pressed. Students, one by one and slowly I will prepare important videos on this YouTube channel to make you understand more and more about grammar. Further, I will also explain many types of grammar topics like passive voice, indirect speech, prepositions, modals, etc. You will find more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.